Alright, I'm in Lakeland, Florida. I'm at the Medulla Baptist Church. I think it's on Old Highway 37. It's another one of those churches that lost their steeple during Hurricane Irma. This one's in surprisingly not that bad shape. Looks like the tip broke off. Not sure where that is. I don't see, too much damage. There's damage to it. There's probably more than is apparent. As you can see right there. And there's the tip, it's gone. But it's relatively intact. Didn't fall a very huge distance. I'm not sure. I very much doubt this is the original location it fell to. But I can show you where it fell from. And like the others, it looks like it's made of fiberglass. And these things do not stand very well. But compared to the amount of steeples that stayed on, to the amount of steeples that came off during the hurricane, a high majority did stay on. I think it's just the luck of the draw, maybe the construction, maybe what it was made out of, who knows. Some churches are taller, some are shorter, so this one isn't that tall. It must have been pretty loud when this came down. See if I can show you the inside from this end. You can see fiberglass. I wanted to show it. And I can show you from where it came from. Right up there. At least that's what I'm assuming. Looks like they put tarp in it probably to prevent water from falling inside. I'm assuming they probably had a lot of water from the hurricane come in. This is the back of the church. Luckily the gate was open for me to come in here. Show you, see. How you get in here from here. If you're interested in seeing these things, if you're in the area, that's where you can find it. I'll see about showing you the front of the church so you can see what it looks like. Of course, I'll take a picture of it and put it with this photo or this video. Alright, see you in a second. Okay, here's the front. Let me show you. That's where the steeple fell off. Zoom in for you. Let me show you more of the front of the church if you're interested. Just walk down there with you. Because I think this would be considered the front. I think there's a little bit more damage there. That came down. Yeah, I'm going to say this is probably more the front. Yep. Yeah, you can really see it from here. This is just off I think South Florida Avenue. So, it wasn't that hard to find. So there's another church right over there. A lot of churches in Florida. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to answer your questions, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Alright, bye everybody, bye.